In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Microsoft OneDrive from Windows 11 quickly and safely. If you're tired of OneDrive running in the background, taking up space, or just want a cleaner Windows 11 setup, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. We'll use a built-in Windows tool to uninstall it, and I'll also show you the simple cleanup step at the end. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, on your keyboard, press Windows and R at the same time. This opens the Run box, which is a fast way to access Windows tools without digging through menus. Once the box appears, type appwiz.cpl. That's the command for opening the classic Programs and Features window where you can uninstall apps from your computer. After typing it in, press Enter. Now you should see a list of installed programs on your Windows 11 PC. This is where you'll find Microsoft OneDrive. Take a moment to scroll through the list until you see it. Depending on your system, it may be listed as Microsoft OneDrive or just OneDrive. Once you find it, right-click on it to bring up the available options. From the menu, click Uninstall. Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to remove the program. If it does, just approve the prompt and continue. At this point, the uninstall process will begin. Give it a few moments while Windows removes OneDrive from your system. Once the uninstall is complete, OneDrive should no longer be installed on your Windows 11 device. That means it won't automatically start up or sync files in the background anymore. If your goal was to completely remove it, you're already most of the way there. For the optional final cleanup step, I recommend restarting your PC. This helps make sure all changes are fully applied and clears out anything OneDrive may have left active in memory. A restart is not always required, but it's a good idea, especially if you want a clean finish. And that's it. You've successfully removed Microsoft OneDrive from Windows 11. It only takes a couple of minutes, and now your system should feel a little cleaner and less cluttered. If you want more simple Windows 11 tips like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.